I'm not going to waste your time in this video. I will show you how to make a talking animated avatar which YouTubers are making using free AI tools. It's no secret the channels who have an animated avatar are blowing up on YouTube and other platforms right now. The channel 10x Income grew from 0 to 250,000 subscribers in just 3 months with his avatar. And I have seen channels growing from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in 6 months. And Channel Digital Income made over $10,000 every month from his digital avatar. In my opinion, every faceless channel who is not doing this is going to get left behind. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. Creators like Dream and Base Zeus grew millions with their avatars. So without further ado, let's get into the creative process. So step 1 is to generate our character from CapCut. You can easily download CapCut from your App Store or Play Store. In my case, I'm using the CapCut web from my PC or laptop because the screen is big and it's easy to use as well. You can do from your mobile or PC, the steps will be the same. Alright, let's begin. Once you've opened it, look for the text-to-image option. This is where the magic happens. Imagine you're talking to an artist, describing your ideal character in detail. What do they look like? What are they wearing? What's their pose? Are they standing in a bustling city, a peaceful forest, or maybe a spaceship? Don't worry if you need a little inspiration. I've added a sample description below that you can use as a starting point to make sure your character looks perfect on your chosen platform. Select the right aspect ratio. 16:9 for YouTube and 9:16 for Instagram Reels. Once you're ready, hit Generate and watch as CapCut brings your words to life. If the first results aren't exactly what you had in mind, no problem. Just like working with a real artist, you can provide feedback. Tweak your description to get the details just right, or regenerate for a whole new set of options. Want your character to wear a different outfit or have a more serious expression? Just ask. Once you've found the perfect character, you can download it. You might notice that the resolution isn't super high, but that's easy to fix. CapCut has an image upscaler that can boost your image to a crisp 4K resolution, ready to be shared with the world. So there you have it. Step 2. Let's give our character an even more epic background. We'll use Adobe Firefly, a fantastic tool that lets you generate any background you can imagine, completely free. First, head to the Adobe website and create an account. Then, find the Generative Fill section. Now, upload the character image we crafted in CapCut. Here's where the fun really starts. With Firefly, you can add or remove anything from the background, like a personal touch to your creation. Want a steaming cup of coffee on the desk? Just click where you want it and type cup of coffee. It's that easy. Need some greenery? Select an empty spot and type plant. I'm going to add a few more things to make the scene pop. Maybe a window with a scenic view. Look how this is starting to look amazing. Once your character's new home is complete, you can download the image. You'll see a watermark, but don't fret. Clip Drop to the rescue. Just open the app or website, use their text remover to get rid of the watermark, then upscale the image for even better quality. And voila! A unique character with a custom background ready to impress. Step 3. Now we're going to animate the character with the mask. So to animate our masked character, just go to Artflow AI on your browser. You're going to need to create a new account, then just click on the Video Studio in the sidebar and open a new video. Here you can upload your image from the Upload section in the sidebar. Once it's uploaded, Artflow will detect its face and it'll ask us to enable speaking animation. Just click here and then type whatever you want them to say in the box below. From there, you can choose an AI voice or you could upload your own as an audio file. So let's say that you wanted to use your own voice like I do. You could then import that voice and add the voiceover as well. And I will be showing you guys how to create high-retention scripts and voiceovers in a future video. But for now, I'm just going to use the AI voice that they have for the sake of this example. Next, we're just going to click Export and Artflow AI will make the video for us in a few minutes. Alright, so when you export your video from Artflow, you'll notice that pesky watermark again. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Media.io is a super handy tool that can remove watermarks from videos in a snap. Just head over to their homepage, then select Watermark Remover. Upload your video, and it's super easy from there. Simply highlight the watermark area with their handy green brush tool, and bam! You've got yourself a clean, watermark-free video of your masked character. So here's how the project turned out.
Hi, I am an avatar, and I'll be the one who will blow up your channel easily. It's very important to have an avatar like me, and don't forget to like and share.
Alright, now for some pro tips to really make this work. You'll notice some big creators only use avatars for short bursts throughout the video. That's because constant avatar time can get boring for viewers.
Marty, I'm bored. I'm gonna.
Think of it as building a personal brand, just without your face. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's easier for people to connect with a real person than a masked character. But this method definitely gets the job done. Digital Income and other channels are proof. They're monetized, have done brand deals, and made over $10,000 monthly on autopilot. So trust me, it works. Think about it psychologically. Having an avatar helps your audience connect with your faceless channel. Without that connection, your videos can easily get lost in the vast sea of YouTube content. If you liked this video, please drop it a like, and make sure to check out my last one where I share the best YouTube niches to grow in 2024. Thanks for watching today. I'm looking forward to seeing more digital avatars out there.